Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this foldable. It's not a playpen, it's a carrier. It's a dog crate or cat crate that this brand sent to me for this video. It can be for any pet, but you can see the size on this one with Minnie. She's about like 11 pounds. I want to say 10-year-old cat and 11 pounds. So you can put a medium-sized dog, a medium-sized cat, or a large cat, let's say, but you can't put like a big dog in here. This one is about like 27 inches wide by 20 inches tall. So again, you can see that this one you can put a big cat if you want, or a medium to small size dogs, for example, or any other pets you have. The good thing about this one is that it's entirely foldable. Once that is done, check it out. We're gonna actually do something with Minnie right here. It has Velcro, so it has kind of like a window thing. And you have this one right here to close it and have mesh everywhere. So it has a really nice ventilation, I want to say. So it has mesh over here, and mesh on the top. The only thing that I think is missing on this crate to be perfect are locks. So right here in the zippers, kind of like in the zipper ends, it will be awesome. It has like those kind of a clip, so you can clip those zippers. So when they're moving together. I mean, I don't think that they will be able to open, to be honest, but I want to say that that will be amazing. So you can see Minnie inside here. She's not having any issues. And by the way, it comes with a Sherpa fabric inside. So that's going to be kind of like nice, soft, and cushion if you want to transport your pet to the vet, or if you're taking a trip or something like that. Also, this one right here comes with, sorry, Minnie, but this one right here comes with a pocket right here. So you can actually put their documents, their vaccines, and things like that if you are going to the vet. But one more time, this is entirely foldable. The only thing you will do is kind of like disassemble the inner frame, which is going to take you, I'm not joking, probably 10 seconds, because those are retractable. So you can just retract them and it will take you about 10 or 15 seconds. Comes with handles, also comes with a strap right here. So this strap, you can put it together once that you fold it back. But you can see 27 by 20, pretty big, pretty resistant, good metal frame. She's not even bothering too much. And of course, you have mesh and ventilation everywhere for your pets. I like it. You can take it outdoors. You can put it inside. Just put it in your car, your truck, or something like that. With your pets, take them on a trip. I guarantee you're not going to regret it.